Hi, this is Grace. Today we're going to make Korean style tofu stew. These are the ingredients you will need. I make my own kimchi, but you can get them in Asian market. Cut both kimchi and napa cabbage into 2-inch pieces. Next, chop the garlic and ginger into small pieces. You can also use garlic press or ginger grinder. Peel the shrimps and cut them into bite size. Turn on high heat. I like sesame oil, but you can use any kind of oil. Add about 1 tablespoon into a ceramic pot and let it sit until sizzling. Now we can add the minced garlic and ginger into the pot and stir for about a minute. You can find this kind of red pepper powder in any of the Asian market. Add 1 tablespoon or to your taste. Stir in all the vegetables for a few minutes. Add dashi or water, about a cup. You can use any kind of clams or even other seafoods. Empty the whole can with juice into the pot. Let it boil for 10 minutes. Now, let's chop some green onions. Make 1 cut through the middle, and then cut in half and start chopping. You can find this kind of soft tofu in Asian market. Cut it in the middle and empty into the pot. Gently break the tofu into chunks. Don't overdo it. Cover and wait for 5 minutes. Add shrimp and any kind of mushroom you like. Let it boil for another 5 minutes. Add 1 egg on top of the soup and some chopped green onions. Voila, we're done. Enjoy!